Hi, I'm going to show you how to load and run R on Kebnekaise using a local ThinLink client for this course, Introduction to R, Julia and Matlab in HPC. Let's take a look at the exercises and then I'll go through them. Exercise 1 is about starting the R interpreter. Exercise 2, running an R script. Exercise 3, download and extract a tarball with exercises. Extra exercise 1, find and use installed R packages. And the last exercise, search for other R versions. We can do that. So let's start at exercise 1. Find the documentation of your HPC cluster. So I'm going to put this at the left because we need another window. I'm going to search Kebnekaise HPC cluster documentation, something like this, documentation, to see if you can find it. Yeah, HPC2N support and documentation. That is what we need. Here we have Kebnekaise. Within the documentation, search for the documentation about R. So I have been searching before on this, and it is hard to find. It is hard to find. Again, to be clear, you can't find it. The best page to go to is called About Modules. This is the most useful page about R. And I will tell you why. So next thing, from the terminal, load the modules for R of the recommended version as shown below. So what the module system shows is it gives you some examples how to find specific software. So we are going to find the specific software called R, and you can use module spider for that. And I guess that's it. Module spider software, sure. Module spider, module software version. Module show, module save, module restore, module perk. Alright, here we have some useful examples. Checking the versions of false CUDA, so we can replace this by R, I guess. Module spider and the thing. And then loading it is module load and then the thing. Sure, we can do this, we can do this. Let's start. Let's go to Kebnekaise. There she is. Let's put the documentation in our mind. So I'm going to do module spider R, and I'm going to do module load R of that version. But first I'm going to use module spider R. So let's take Kebnekaise here. We're going to find a terminal somewhere. Older, where is the thing? Favorites, all. Yeah, up. If it's not here, it's not there because it says all. QES terminal. Right, I don't know. This looks like a terminal. You have Xterm, Xterm. I want to click on tilde and see what happens. There, right? Nothing much happened. All right, so let's do the other one. Let's do Xterm. I know this is useful. All right, let's make it a bit bigger. Can I make this bigger? Can I make it bigger? Can I make the font bigger? Can I make the font bigger? Move to. Alright, maybe take another terminal then. Or take like the GNOME editor. HTOP, that's not it. The mate terminal, that sounds like, yeah, this is a good one. Like we can make this one bigger. Nice, the mate terminal, that's what you need. And we're going to do module spider R. Module spider R to look for the versions of R that are available. Great, and we needed 4.1.2, 4.1.2, that's there. Sure, I'm going to load this one. Ctrl Shift C to copy, Ctrl Shift V to paste. I'm going to do module load to load it. Alright, so we get an error message that says, hey, I can't load it. Try to find out more information here. Sure, let's do that. And it says you will need to load all modules before it's available. So okay, these two things I need to load first. I can do that. Copy. Module load there. Now I'm going to load R again. And this works. This works. There, worked. Next exercise. From this terminal, start the R interpreter. So this is not documented in the documentation. I could not find it, but the solution is to type capital R. So we can do that, capital R. There, the R terminal, or the R interpreter to be precise. This is the R interpreter. From the interpreter, run the R code message hello. To verify it makes the R interpreter say the text hello. Okay, Control Shift, Control C. Here Control Shift V. It worked. From the R interpreter, run the R code quit. To quit the R interpreter and go back to the terminal. Sure. Quit. Round bracket open, round close. Save. Nope. Done. We've done this. Exercise 2. Run an R script. To run an R script, we'll download one, after which we'll run it. From the terminal, run this. Okay, sure. Copy this. Tack. And paste. Ctrl Shift V. There. Now I have downloaded an R script. And now I can run it with this line. Sure. Ctrl Shift V. The R script said hello world. Great, done. Exercise 2 is done. Let's do exercise 3. How to download and extract the tarball with exercises. So I put this in this tab and let's walk through it. Using it, the tarball is a file that contains multiple files. Procedure has a video. Step 1, get the tarball. In the terminal do that, I guess. Step 2, uncompress it in a terminal, do that. And that's all there is. So I think just copy pasting this and then copy pasting that is all I need to do. Copy. Ctrl Shift V to paste. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, I have it now. Now here I copy this line, paste it here. And now I have all the exercises on my computer. That is on my Kebnekaise home folder. Great, so we have done exercise 3 with this. Next step. Find and use installed R packages. From the R interpreter, check which packages are installed using installed packages. Sure. So let's go to Kebnekaise. We start the R interpreter using R. We paste this line of code. This is regular R code. And these are all the versions of things we have. It's quite a lot, but we have it. Now, from the R interpreter, load a parallel package using library parallel. Sure, we can do that. Control C. Let's add the L here. Worked perfectly. Exercise Extra 2. Search for other R versions. Use the module system to find which versions of R are provided by your cluster's module system. Okay, so I need to quit R. And I think with module spider, we have already seen all those versions. Yeah, these are the versions we have here on Kebnekaise. This was the last exercise, so it means that I have shown you how to load and run R on Kebnekaise using a local ThinLink client for this course. With this, I wish you a very good day. Bye!